The Glunovo P3 is a continuous glucose monitoring system that tracks your glucose levels every 3 minutes throughout the day. The kit consists of a 14-day sensor that measures glucose in real time and a reusable transmitter that continuously sends glucose readings to the phone. Let's explore how Glunovo P3 assists Zach in his diabetes management.
Managing diabetes is about making decisions. I'm glad to have Glunovo P3 helping me cope with the challenge, enabling me to take better control over my glucose levels. To get started, download the Glunovo Pro app. This app allows you to check glucose values on your phone. Open the app. It is important to grant the necessary system permissions and ensure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Follow the steps, create a new Glunovo account, or log in with your existing one. After verifying the code sent to your email, the app will guide you through the configuration process. Complete the basic settings, such as the glucose unit, target glucose range, customizable high and low alarms. Next, the app will display instructional illustrations on sensor insertion and transmitter attachment. Swipe left to review them. Now the app is ready to connect with the Glunovo P3. Applying the Glunovo P3 sensor and transmitter is also simple. First, choose an insertion site that is 5 centimeters away from the belly button, avoiding areas with insulin injection sites, recent CGM sensor sites, muscles, tattoos, and scars. Shave the area if it's hairy. Clean the site with an alcohol wipe and allow it to dry completely. Now it's time to insert the sensor. Carefully remove the protective paper without touching the adhesive area. Face the side with the yellow safety button towards the belly button. Gently inhale to slightly tighten your abdomen skin, then firmly place the applicator against the chosen site. Unlock the applicator, press down the top button to insert the sensor. Remove the disposable applicator. Rub around the patch to secure the sensor. Let's attach the transmitter. The transmitter is designed asymmetrically to guide you in attaching it correctly. Clean the bottom of the transmitter with an alcohol wipe and wait for it to dry. Now snap the narrow side of the transmitter into the sensor base and gently press down the other side. Fit the curved tines of the tool into the 2 holes on the sensor base. Make sure you hear the click sound before removing the tool. To connect the transmitter, scan the UDI code on the transmitter box. After pairing with the transmitter, activate the sensor by scanning the UDI code labeled on the sensor package. Tap Start CGM. A countdown will appear on the screen upon successful sensor pairing. You will receive your glucose readings after the 120-minute warm-up period is complete. Then you can check your real-time glucose data, observe trends, and receive high-low alarms to prevent emergencies.